Right now we're turning ponos from one bar into one church. Oh, io Emma kualani Oh, io Kawaola Oh, io E kumula Ka mea hanai na mea apa E kuhaku Ka maona ie ie Oh io Che accompagni And then after that, we'll see them in Hawaii, and then we come back to the wine again. You can sing along in your head. Actually, you can see them in Hawaii, and I go see them in Maury. Kokoio Ematualani Kokoio Tavauta Kokoio Etumota Tamea hanai tamea Etututaku Tamaona tie tie Ohoio All of these, one more time in Hawaii. Ohoio Emakualani Oh, io Kawaola Oh, io E kumula Ka mea hanai na mea apa E kuhaku Ka maona kie kie Oh io E kuhaku Ka maona kie kie Oh io Isn't that a wonderful hymn? Thanks to my friend David Kayapo. Kavika. Thank you.